Okay guys, so last video you saw we painted the boat. It all looks pretty and
The
stuff.
floor. We didn't paint the boat. We painted the floor.
Painted the floor on the boat. The new floor we've been putting in and things like that, painted. But we had to go back and try a new color because that one was a little light and it shows a lot of dirt. We have towels on the floor right now just because every time we crawl in the boat, dirty.
Yes. But we're going to go with a different option.
KiwiGrip.
Yes.
We've seen a lot of sellers use it, and we wanted to give it a shot. We went with we're going with the light gray, and hopefully that looks really pretty and less dirty.
It's going to cover everything that we painted with the white paint, and it's also going to go up in there where the fiberglass because it's white, or it's, you know, it's like a cream.
Oh, it's
like,
off-white.
it's this color, and it's really hard to keep clean when you're walking on it all the time. So we decided to just do up there too, on the fiberglass. We're doing it.
Danielle was up there taping.
Yes, I taped a bunch.
So
around all the curves, you know. Because I don't want it all the way up, I just want it on the floor.
Yep, so let's get into this. We have our rollers. This comes with the brush you apply it with.
Get it off. He's so much stronger than me. Look, I'm a weenie.
It comes with a brush you apply it with. It's perforated, so it makes it bumpy. And it comes with the paint. This stuff dries, and they say at this temperature we're at right now, 15 minutes. It's warm here. So if you're in a cooler climate, you may have more time. Also, stay out of direct sunlight because it even dries faster. It's a water-based paint, but it is a rubber. So I'm curious to see how it looks. A lot of people have had great success with it. I want to see if we have the same. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, got our trowel. Danielle's got her tool in hand.
Yes.
We think we're ready.
I hope we can do this correctly.
We think we're just experts. That was easy. And it didn't say shake.
It's pretty thick.
Mm-hmm. Word, you know.
You said that was just that part.
So we've got this in, and we think we have it figured out. Now we're just going to do the rest of it.
It's looking good.
Looking
but I have to
really
pull
good.
this tape off here in about probably another 10 minutes because you should pull it off while it's still wet.
And we're going to continue on. Hopefully we can get all this done. Got a little paint on me, but we're going to play some music. So start the tune, sweetie. You up on the honey?
It spreads pretty good, so you don't have to do so much to spread.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering why. Got out of bed, oh. A morning rain clouds up my window, and I can't see it all. Even if I could, it'll all be great. But your picture on my wall, it reminds me that it's not so bad. It's not so bad.
Okay guys, so we got the floor painted and we used KiwiGrip on top of the other paint we already had. So looking really good. It feels a little bit more rubbery, but
It's very non-slip. You're not gonna slip on this. We even painted up here, which was fiberglass, but it just looked weird if we didn't go all the way up. So yeah, we taped it off and then painted this floor right here.
she taped it off.
Hopefully it holds. It is on fiberglass, but it says it works on fiberglass, so.
But for prepping and stuff, Danielle did everything for prepping.
You see all the blue tape?
Yes.
Yeah, more to come.
So we are going to work on a border here, and that will be a future video of how we do that and how it turns out. And so
To replace our rubber that was basically molded.
molded and dry ride.
Yeah, it was really bad. So we were going to do rubber again, but then we decided since we had this left, why not use it for that? It's non-slip. It will create a surface that you won't bump your knee on and create a cut or anything, you know, so.
Hopefully.
And it doesn't have to have any kind of nails or screws like the rubber
glue.
does. Yeah, like the rubber does. So we're hoping this works.
We are. And hopefully we don't have to go back and put rubber around it. That would suck.
No, we'll just come up with something else.
So, as always, also check out some of the other videos we've done. We've put in, of course, the ski locker, the hardware there. Right now the hardware is out because we were painting and it was less taping.
Right.
So,
Because this was a nightmare.
we're going to get that the hardware back in there. Ski locker's looking good. One thing I wish I would have done was put a layer of fiberglass over the entire floor before painting, but didn't. It's still very good. It's not. I put a resin mixture over it, so it's very sealed over marine plywood. But wish I would have did that.
There's just some imperfections that paint is not going to ever cover. So, but you know, we're going to live with it because
It's a floor. You walk on it.
It's very, very durable now.
It is very durable.
So we might as well go use it, you know, and stop being so picky.
Yes. And also, be sure to check out Dining with Danielle, releasing new recipes weekly. This recipe is going to be a little something special, so y'all check it out. And mosquitoes. Did you get it?
I don't know if I did.
So, it's going to be, this recipe.
Oh, we've been
What?
trying it out for about, I don't know, 4 months now, and we love it. So I decided it's going to go out as a recipe.
So, look up chicken. It'll be a chicken recipe. Just look at all the chicken recipes and pick the one you like. This one we like, but we like all of them. And if you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there somewhere. It's like this. And y'all please take care.
Bye. We always wave by like we're talking to an audience. We are. We're talking to nobody actually, but hopefully somebody.
Hopefully somebody.
Right.
Let's see.